All right, we have a function and we want to evaluate, want to plug it in a couple of times. So let's just first figure out f of -1. So f of -1, I'll plug -1 in there. So it's -3 times -1 squared. -1 squared is 1. -3 times 1 is -3. So the answer to that is -3. We now have to evaluate this f of -3. So we're now plugging our answer back into the equation. So we plug -3 in. -3 times -3 squared. Well, -3 squared is 9. And that gives you -27. So now we have -27. So we must evaluate f of -27. F of -27. So -3 times -27 squared. So let's grab the calculator. 27 times 27 is 729. So it's -3 times 729. And when we multiply that by 3, we're going to get 2,187. And that's going to be negative because that 2087. Yes, that's correct. Negative 2,187 for our answer for number 11. Let's look at number 12. Ooh, nice and easy question. What is the domain? The domain means, hey, what can the x be? Is there an x you can plug in here that'll mess it up? Well, if I plug 10 in, I'll get 3 over what? 14. Fine, get an answer. Is there something we're going to plug in that's going to make it not give me an answer? Well, it's a fraction. So what would create a problem here? If this guy came out to be 0, you and I would be in trouble because you can't put things in groups of 0. You can't divide by 0. So let's just solve this. 2x, we can't let 2x be a 6. Divide by 2. In other words, you cannot let x be a 3. Everybody else makes an answer except for 3. 3 won't do it. So what is the domain? It's all real numbers except x can't be a 3. That's what you should write.